In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Aweber campaigns to streamline your email sequences and start generating more sales on AutoPilot, so stay tuned. All right, so I'm on Aweber's website, and I'm looking at one of my lists, and I have a couple different lists. I have a test list, and then I have my Make Money Online niche list, and then I have a woodworking and crafts list. So what I'm going to do is show you how to create campaigns. So if I go over to messages and click on campaigns, it will pop up. All a campaign is a series of emails that come in a sequence, and then you can track their open rate, the click rate, and then you can put a number of emails that are delayed between them in a row so people will receive them, and there's more of a plan to it. The idea is so that you don't have to write a ton of emails over and over again every time you get new subscribers, and when they subscribe, they can grab their lead magnet email, they can get a bunch of different videos you made or blog posts, ton of different affiliate offers, and then you can broadcast as well on top of that. So if I go to my Make Money Online list, you can see that I have a Drew Business Accelerator lead magnet campaign. So this is my main campaign for all of my people on my autoresponder. So what you can do is you can click into an existing campaign. You can see kind of what it looks like when you're creating it. It looks pretty much the exact same. So you can add a message, you can add a wait period between messages, you can also apply a tag, so you can tag things depending on who opens things, and you can automate some of that. So my first email is all about my marketing guide that I give away. So I have like a free guide on how to make your first affiliate sale, and I have a series of steps. It's like a one-page guide. If you want to generate your first affiliate sale, you can grab my guide for free at the top of the description. I'll have a link for you. But basically all I do is I write, hey, first name, and this just puts their first name in there, and then I put a link to the guide and a message, right? So with the campaign, what I like to do is every 8 hours or maybe every day, I like to put a new email. And as you can see, I have about 15 emails because in between there's like a delay for each. And what you can do is that you can add like different wait times. So you can say like, I want to wait a certain amount of time. You can set custom windows. You can also say when you want to start the campaign. So you can go here and you can add filters on who are added to the campaign based on country, ad tracking, a certain source. So if you don't want everybody coming to this campaign, you can also replace this trigger. So you can say start a campaign when a tag is applied. So a tag is just like a little keyword that might say like, oh, this is when people have bought this affiliate offer or clicked on this link because they might be interested in that. The whole point of this is to segment your list, and if like certain people are interested in maybe digital consulting over affiliate marketing, then I might have a digital consulting campaign, and I want to link into that. It's going to have a bunch of emails to give them free value on digital consulting and then follow up with affiliate offers. You can also have advice, consulting calls, and all that sort of stuff. You can put your content in it. You can have a ton of campaigns, but you want to keep it simple when you're starting out, because I've tried it. When I first started out, I created probably like 7 or 8 different campaigns with different types of emails, and that's not a bad thing to do, but it's kind of disorganized. And then at a certain point, you don't know how many emails somebody's getting per day. They might be getting 8 from you because they're added to all of them. So you want to make sure that it's easy. I like to put it in 1 or 2 just so you can keep it structured, and it makes it a lot more easy to maintain. You don't have to guess where it is, and the user interface will allow you to go through each campaign easier. So if I wanted to add an email to this list, I could just drag it here. I could put a wait time here, right? And then it's going to say perform this action, and then I would write the email in here, and then it would be good to go. And if you want to automate who's actually done stuff, you could add automations, but before that you need to create a message. So I'm just going to do a sample message for now. I'll just select this message, which doesn't have much in it, and I might add like a link. So if this was the message I was going to add, it actually has a couple links. This is my default template for all my messages, so I can just quickly jump in and use that. So if I go back, I already have that message, so now I can click on it, and what I can do is I can say, okay, when somebody opens the message, I can add or remove a tag. So maybe I want to say like, oh, well, if they did this then and they clicked on my message, they want their free affiliate guide, because that's what it's about. And I would probably put that in the subject of the message. And so I could say add, remove tag, and you can add as many as you want. I have a bunch of these like affiliate marketing, affiliate guide, maybe like lead magnet, advice. You know, you can add a ton of them. And then later on, when you build your list up, you can segment that. So when you're sending emails, it's going to deliver to people only who are interested in those things. And that way you're really getting like warmer audiences than you normally would, because they're interested in certain topics. And you can send those to specific audiences, so you're not boring everybody else, and your deliverability will go up. Because if you send it to everybody and nobody's opening it over time, it's going to end up in the promotions tab or not the primary inbox in most email clients. So you're going to end up not getting in front of those people. But if you segment and you get high click-through rate and high open rates, then you're going to have a much better chance. And segmenting is one of those tools to do that. You can also remove tags. So maybe if they open a certain message, they won't be interested in something else. So you can remove them. Or it's like you're following up with people that haven't opened your emails for a while, and then you want to remove like the dedicated subscriber from them. Or you can actually just remove them, right? If they don't open a certain email, like say like if you don't open this email, you're gone, you know, and that's not the best thing to do, but you can send a series of them to like people who haven't opened your emails in a while, and sometimes it is good to clean out your list like that. That way your deliverability and your click-through rate goes up, and then you'll get more emails going to more people that you want it to. You should probably clean your list every couple months. So I'm just going to do an automation for if they open the message. So I might say like, you know, affiliate. And then I could, you know, apply this, and then if I save and exit, it will add it. If I save and exit, sometimes it might turn this into draft because I added something new. And what you have to do is you have to click this, and you have to make sure your campaign's active. When you create a new one, typically it gets paused, so you definitely want to do that because otherwise nobody's going to get your emails. You can also copy lists, and you can duplicate a lot of stuff. I'm just going to remove this for now because I don't need it. I'm going to click the save button, and then I'm going to show you how to create a new campaign from scratch. So there's all these different ways to do it. You can create a welcome series, one for a lead magnet, a mini course, a blogger series. So these are all good. Depends what kind of content you have. So if you're a vlogger, like videos or blogging or whatever, you have like a series of content you want to give people before you ask them, you know, if they want to buy this or that, then you can do like a blogger series. You can do a welcome series if you just want like a welcome campaign, and then it will give you like the template for the welcome series, and it's going to create it for you. So it'll have like a thanks for subscribing, let's chat, you know, this is important. So like you have like a thank you message, and then you have like some content you want to share. Typically when people are joining your list, you want to give a lot up front because they want a reason to open your emails. You want to keep them curious. You want to keep people actually wanting to open them because they get a ton of promotional emails every day. So why would they open your emails? And that's your job to create that reason. So whether you have, you know, coupons or deals or free stuff that's really valuable in terms of information, like how to build an online course or how to rank your blog or how to do keyword research or how to get a loan for a business, or, you know, maybe you have a fitness plan you want to share with them, whatever it is, right? Wake up routine, books. Give a lot of free stuff up front or like really low cost, like $1. Over time, people will make more commitments. They'll buy more, they'll download more, and then they'll trust you because they'll be like, oh, this is cool. And if they don't like it, they'll leave. And that's okay because not everybody is going to be a buyer and not everybody's going to be good for your list. So if I go back into my campaigns, as you can see, it's in draft mode. And I just created this welcome series. So what I would have to do is activate it in order for people to get it. For now, I'm just going to delete this because I'm not going to use the welcome series. But it is good to have like a welcome campaign and then maybe like a regular campaign and stuff like that. The other thing you can do is you can create campaigns, and then tags will start other campaigns. So you'll tag people on the one campaign, and then your next campaign, you'll say the trigger for new subscribers to this campaign is when they have opened something or they get a tag assigned to them. So like they open the affiliate marketing things to start that list. And that's really useful too. You can also close the list. So I'm closing a bunch of these. As you can see, I had way too many of these lists. You can make your campaign shareable. So if you want to create like a sample one and share it with people to show them how to do email marketing, or you just want to share it with a friend or another account, you can do that. You can also copy certain emails to another list that you already have, and you can see who's opening and clicking on your emails to make sure like which ones are good. So you can look at some of these analytics and see who's clicking, who's opening that stuff. So like, for example, this one has a really poor open rate, like 4%, and then the click rate is really, really low. So that might not be a good email. But like this is more specific, saying like here's 50 ways to make money online. So they see the value right away. This one's personal, like what's your goal from a year from now? So like 6% open that, but that's pretty decent. And then 10% on this one, what's the fastest way for you to make money online? So you just have to look at this. You also have to look at the number of subscribers. Obviously, I have a lot more subscribers on some of these that received it, and a lot of the subscribers I had on that list at the time weren't the best quality, so it might not be relevant to them. You want to keep your campaigns and your list focused. So like if you have two offers like fitness and, you know, health, and then you have make money online or whatever, like something else, some other niche, and you put them in the same list, then people are going to unsubscribe more and they're not going to open because it's not related. So create different campaigns for different lists, and just make sure you have different lists for different niches too, because like if you have the same list for everybody, you're really gonna pigeonhole people into getting stuff they don't want. Like this is a good example, 16% open this. So this was just like a content email. And you can do like series. You can say like, so in this email I said like, oh, well, this is how you can really make a ton of money online. And then I said, look at the next email to see how. And then I put the answer, so it gets people to open the next one. So there's a bunch of strategies. If you want me to make a video tutorial on how to get more people to open your emails and actually start converting on them and clicking on them, say yes in the comments below. I'd love to do that. I got a ton of tips that I've been reading on and implementing myself. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video is helpful in helping you to figure out how to use campaigns in Aweber so you can start generating more clicks, more opens, and more sales. If you like this video, hit the like button so more people can see it and grow their businesses online. Jump on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to grow your business fast and live a happier life. If you want to grab my free guide on how to make your first affiliate marketing sale, there's a link at the top of the description, and there's a free offer exclusive just for you to use Aweber. So I highly recommend you go and click on that. You can get started with Aweber for free. You can't beat free. Thank you so much for listening. There's a video right after this one. Stay tuned for that one. See you in that one. Peace out.